Hello guys, Tesla FSD Supervised version 13.2.5.1 has started rolling out to some owners with W3 model, and Tesla 2024.45.32.6 software update is now rolling out to selected vehicle featuring both FSD Supervised version 13.2.5.1 and version 12.6.2 for HW4 including Model 3S.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.